How to add post to your Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add posts to your Instagram story. So to do that, first of all, open your Instagram app. Now, if the post which you are trying to add to your story is from a public account, you can simply add it to your story by tapping this share icon right over here. And now simply tap on the option add post to your story. And now you can add the post to your story as simple as that. But if you want to add your own post to your story, what you can do is go to your profile by tapping the bottom right corner of your screen, and now tap on any photo which you want to add to your story, and then simply do the same. Simply tap on this share button and then tap on add post to your story. And now you can add your own post to your story just like that. But if the post you're trying to add to your story is from a private account, you simply won't be able to add it to your story. So those were the ways on how you can add a post to your story. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.